If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Call of Duty, calibrating your settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for the game. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Step 2. Update drivers. Update your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the most recent drivers. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, reduce texture quality, and turn off unnecessary effects like motion blur and shadows to improve performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable background applications, set your power plan to high performance, and ensure that game mode is enabled. Step 5. Monitor performance. Use performance monitoring tools to track your frame rates and identify any remaining issues. Adjust settings as needed based on your observations to achieve smoother gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering and enhance your overall gaming experience. Happy gaming!